Hi everyone, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones, and today I have some good news. The Management Center, or the Talos Ag Center website, is now available for use. So I have the recording right here. So you're going to have to go to the manage.talosagcenter.com/mission. So that'll be, shown in the video. Once we put in your information, so your Talos login account and everything like that, you'll just do that, do the CAPTCHA as well, and then you'll just do a login. You can also create an account here as well. So now once you log in, you'll be able to see all of your fields, all of your fields that you made on your drone, and you can manage them, you can edit them, you can do whatever you please with them. So we have the option to edit the field as well. We can change stuff around, that type of stuff. But the the big key point is there is now a team management system. So you can add members of a team, you can create a team. And also when you go down to the bottom right here to your account, you can actually change your password. So that's a big thing that a lot of people have been asking. And device management as well, you are able to transfer drones. So let's say I want to transfer this one. You have the option here to transfer a device, and it gives a flight controller, and you want to enter the recipient account, that'll be the email. So yeah, couple big things. You also get your task history, so you can view your, pretty much like what your operation's done, see where your drone flew, and you can also see how many times it sprayed, the operation time as well, all sorts of information. And then, yeah, so those are the only key points right now. We are slowly kind of rolling in more features, adding more stuff, kind of refining everything. But for right now, this is what we have. We kind of focus on the main key points that we were missing. All right, so another thing as well. So if we go over to our field management, and we can look at our fields right here. In the bottom right, you can see the share option, and you are able to share with others or share with like another drone or another account. So if you want to share a field with somebody else, maybe like a spray service or just another friend or something like that, you have the option to just share your field to their account. So it's a lot easier for, mapping out fields and doing operations. So yeah, that is now the Talos management app, or the Talos Ag Center. It is currently only a website, there is no app, so it's just the website. But yeah, so just wanted to announce that, and cool. All right, so that is it for the Talos Ag Center, the management website. Again, I am Ryan with Talos Drones, and thank you for watching.